The children's book market is flooded with AI junk, and if we're honest, most of it deserves to fail. You've seen it: six-fingered characters, stories that don't make any sense. But if you're a real creator, this is actually your biggest opportunity. The secret isn't just using AI, it's knowing how to lead it. And today I'm showing you why I've stopped being a doer in my studio and started being a director. I'm going to show you how I handle the technical friction so I can focus on the one thing that a machine can't do: making a child actually fall in love with the story. To stay above the junk, I treat my workflow like a sandwich. I call it the 10-80-10 rule. Top 10% is the vision, the soul. It's the specific moral of the story and the vibe. AI can't lead here because it doesn't have a childhood to pull from. This is your creative director moment. The middle 80% is the grunt work. This is where I let AI work for me. I use it for research, metadata, and rough drafts. This is the labor that used to take me weeks, now takes me minutes. The final 10% is the discernment. This is where I re-enter as the expert. I'm the one checking if the art style is consistent. I'm the one fixing the pacing. I'm the one making sure the specs are perfect for the printer. I don't treat AI like a vending machine. I treat it like a crew so I can stay the director. Having a paintbrush does not make you an artist, and having a prompt does not give you taste. Taste is your ability to spot excellence. As a director, your job is to say no until the output is world-class. There's a shift that happens when you stop focusing on efficiency and start focusing on care. AI can mimic intelligence, but it can't mimic genuine care. I care about the margins, I care about the paper quality, and I also care about the message. In a world of infinite automated content, care is the ultimate premium input. If you build your business around making other people's lives better, the AI just becomes a tool to help you do that at scale. AI doesn't remove the work, it relocates it. It moves you away from the brute force and towards judgment. Stop using these tools to do less. Start using them to be more. Until next time.